Hello students and welcome to this new video. Students, we have already revised in our previous videos the 3 chapters which are there in your syllabus in your online assessment next week. 3 chapters will be coming. Okay, we have already revised the explanation of these 3 chapters in the previous 4 videos. Up till now I have uploaded 4 videos. In those 4 videos I have explained the 3 chapters to you as a revision. Okay, now what is left to be done? I wanted to discuss some of the MCQs, some multiple choice type questions which could be asked in your exam. Okay, so on the basis of these types of MCQs you can prepare for your examination also. Very similar MCQs will be asked in your exam. Okay, I am not telling that these are the exact MCQs which will be asked, but questions very similar to these questions may be asked in your exam. Okay, so whatever MCQs, whatever type of MCQs I am telling you, you can prepare these types of MCQs from a chapter. Okay, because as I have told you also, this time the MCQs will come from your exercises also as well as from your chapter also. So you have to prepare the whole chapter, you have to prepare the important points from the whole chapter in order to prepare for the MCQs, because MCQs may be asked from anywhere. This time it is not necessary that they will come only from the exercises. Okay, exercises MCQs you should also prepare because they will also come, but apart from them some MCQs will also be from your chapter also. So in this video I will discuss about the MCQs, the various types of questions which can be asked as MCQs. I will tell you, so that this will help you in preparing for your examinations and you can prepare these types of questions which may be asked in your exam. So first of all, let us discuss the MCQs which were there in your exercises only. After that we will discuss the types of questions which may be asked from your chapter. Okay, these are just for your idea purpose. Don't take it as absolute. Okay, don't limit your study to only these MCQs which I am discussing. Okay, because it is not confirmed, it is not sure that only these MCQs will come in your exam, because these MCQs which are coming in your exam, these are unseen and any of the points of the chapter can be given as an MCQ. So it is not that only those questions which I am discussing here will be coming in your exam. Okay, in your exam, questions both from what I have discussed and also some unseen questions from the chapter, these may be asked. I am only telling you because you should have an idea about what is coming in your exam. Okay, I am not telling you the exact questions. Okay, some questions may come, some of these questions will also come in your exam and some other questions will also come from the chapter. Okay, now let us discuss the exercises MCQs first. Okay, there are 4 MCQs given in your exercises here in the first chapter. First of all, the first MCQ is dash can be words, numbers, pictures or sound. What is the correct answer? I think all of you know. The correct answer will be data. Okay, data or input can be words, numbers, pictures or sound. Okay, data, all of us know that we input data into the computer system, that data is processed, and then after the processing is done, the meaningful information is output on the screen. So here the correct answer will be data, which can be words, numbers, pictures or sound. Then second one is there, a computer displays dash after processing the data. What is it that computer displays? It is the output. A computer displays the output after processing the data. Okay, then dash controls all parts of a computer system. So what is the correct answer here? What controls? The control unit or the CU. Okay, ALU used for calculations. Okay, and MU is used for storage. Memory, MU or the memory unit is used for storage. ALU used for calculations. Okay, and CU or the control unit is used for controlling all parts of a computer system. So here the correct answer will be B, which is CU. Okay, in the second one, a computer displays dash after processing the data. In that case, the correct answer was output. In the third question, dash controls all parts of a computer system. The correct answer is control unit or CU. Okay, why it is this I have told you. Then fourth one is the dash monitor consumes the least power. Okay, what will the correct answer in this case? It will be LED, because LED are the latest type of monitors which consume the least power. The highest power was consumed by the CRT monitors, which were the oldest monitor. Okay, and the LED monitors are those monitors. LED stands for light emitting diode. These monitors are those monitors which consume the least power. Okay, so now as we have discussed the 4 MCQs which were given in your exercises, so now it is time to discuss various types of MCQs which may be asked from your chapter, because this is the most important thing to prepare. Because as exercise MCQs, the answers you already know. When ma'am was teaching you these chapters, she had already made you do all these questions before also, so you already know the answers. But many of you might not be knowing the type of questions and the answers that you have to prepare for your exam from the chapter also. This I'm going to discuss now with you all. See, these four types of functions are also very important from exam point of view. Okay, like question may be asked, dash is dash is the data given by the user. Okay, dash is the data, or computer accepts dash in the form of data given by the user. So what is the answer of that? Some options may be given like input, output, process. So what is the correct answer here? You know, the correct answer will be input, because the computer accepts input in the form of data given by the user. So the correct answer will be input in this case. Similarly, other MCQs may be asked on the functions also, like dash dash refers to the working dash refers to the working on data according to the instructions. Okay, so what will you answer in this case? It will be processing. Okay, have you understood what I'm telling you? Like any question may be asked like dash refers to the working of data according to the instructions. So what is the correct answer? It will be processing, because processing refers to the working that is done on data according to the instructions given to the computer. Okay, similarly, another question may be asked like dash gives the desired results. Okay, and then in the options you will be given output, input, or process. So what is the correct answer? It is output, because output gives the desired results, which is the meaningful information available after processing the data. Okay, similarly, see here, from here also many questions will be asked based on the definitions of these functions. These functions are discussed in detail here. Okay, like somebody may give you like this line, or consider this line: the data and instructions which you enter using a keyboard or a mouse into a computer is called input. So again, this input, where it is written input, this may be created in the form of a fill in the blanks question. Okay, I may ask a question like this: the data and instructions which we enter using a keyboard or a mouse is called dash. So dash means what? You have to fill in the blank. What is the correct answer for this? It will be input. So you have to choose this correct answer from the options given. Okay, many options may be given like input, process, output, or storage. Like this, 3 options will be there. Out of 3 options, you have to choose the correct option. So the total 25 questions will be coming in your exam. Okay, almost same number of questions will come from all the 3 chapters. Maybe one chapter may be having one question more. That is another thing, but almost same number of questions will be asked from the 3 chapters. So you have to prepare all the 3 chapters very well. Okay, then again, similar type of question may be asked from processing also. Okay, again, one line fill in the blank question may be given to you like, after entering data instructions in a computer, the CPU works on the input to give a meaningful information. This is called dash. So what does it mean? That this will be called processing. So processing is the correct answer. In similar manner, some question may be asked from the IPO cycle also. Okay, like what could be asked? Again, the same type of questions may be asked from the IPO only. Okay, based on the input, based on the definitions of input, process, and output. Simple one-line questions, fill in the blank questions may be asked from IPO cycle. Okay, like you may be asked, a computer has dash main parts which help in performing the IPO cycle. What you will write there? The correct answer will be 4. Okay, then keyboard, monitor. Keyboard, monitors are the different types of parts, important parts of a computer. Okay, then again, some question we ask from these parts also. Okay, like a dash looks like a TV screen, or a dash displays the work that we do on a computer. So what is the correct answer in this case? In the place of dash, you will choose the correct answer as monitor. Okay, like different options will be given like monitor, keyboard, mouse. So what is the correct option to be given here? It will be monitor. Similarly, you will be given a question like, a keyboard is the most important part of a computer. This may be asked in the form of a question like, a dash has a number of keys on it, or a dash is used for entering information and instructions using the keys. So what is the correct answer there? It will be keyboard. So these type of simple questions may be asked. Like again, one more thing is important here. a monitor is also known as VDU. Okay, so this video can also be asked in the form of fill in the blank MCQ. Okay, fill in the blank MCQ means what? You may ask a question like a monitor is also known as dash. So what will come in the place of dash? It will be VDU. So this video you have to choose from the given options. 3 options will be given to you. You have to choose the correct option from there. Okay. Then again, one question will be asked about soft copy and hard copy also. What is a soft copy? The information that we see on a monitor is called soft copy. Okay. So somebody may ask you a question that the information that we see on a monitor is called dash. What does it mean? You have to choose the correct answer there. What is the correct answer? It will be soft copy. You will be given options like soft copy, hard copy, and any other thing. Sometimes one option may be none of these also. None of these means what? That none of the given 2 options is correct. That the third option may sometimes be mentioned as none of these. None of these means what? That neither of the previous 2 options are correct. Okay. In this way, 3 options will be given to you. You have to choose the correct option. I hope you are understanding what I want to tell you. Okay. Then again, like here also, some question may be asked from CRT, LCD, and LAD also. So in this way, you see that what you have to prepare. You have to prepare main points from your chapter. Okay. Main points are given everywhere in your chapter. These things you have to prepare, because one line fill in the blank question may be asked from these points or definitions, and you have to choose the correct option from the MCQs which are given. Okay. Then the CPU or the central processing unit, again, what it would be asked, that dash is the brain of a computer that controls all the functions of a computer. Okay. Again, what you will write, the correct answer will be CPU. Okay. Like the 3 options will be given to you, MU, CPU, or ALU. So what you will write? You will write CPU. Okay, because CPU is the most correct option. Okay. Then about memory unit, again, one line question may come that dash is used for storing the data and instructions. Okay. So what you will write? The correct answer will be MU, because, or memory unit, because memory unit is used for storing the data and instructions which are to be processed. Similarly, for CU also you can get a question like the dash works like a traffic policeman, or the dash controls and manages the working of all parts of computer. So what is the correct answer that you have to write? It will be CU. Okay, you have to choose from the correct option. 3 options will be given to you. You have to choose the correct option. Then again, ALU is again, you can get one question from ALU also. Okay, dash unit performs all arithmetic calculations. What is the correct answer in this case? It will be ALU. Similarly, so I think you are understanding what I am telling you. Again, from mouse also, again you can get a one line question like dash is used to point, select, and move any object on the screen, or dash is a pointing device. So if you understand the meaning of a mouse, you can choose from the correct answer very easily. Okay. So in this type of these types of questions will be asked from exam. Similarly, you have printer also. Again, similar question will be asked from printer also, like a dash prints the information from a computer onto a paper. Okay, this may be one question. Another question may be the output printed on a paper is called a dash. What is the correct answer? It will be hard copy. Okay, you may give one option as soft copy, one option will be hard copy, one may be some other options. You have to choose the hard copy as the correct option. Okay. So these are the different. Again, some advantages or some features of a computer is also important. Okay. Like you can be asked, dash, a computer can do many tasks at the same time. This is known as dash. Okay. So what is the meaning of dash here? It will be multitasking, because multitasking means the feature of a computer that it can perform, it can do many tasks at the same time. Okay. Then disadvantages. What is zero IQ? Okay. Again, one question may be asked, a computer has dash IQ. Okay. Or a computer dash, a computer has dash IQ, or you will be asked, a computer can work for dash hours. So what does it mean? What you will write in the case of IQ question? What you will write? What is the correct option there? You may be given 2 options. Okay. A computer has 0 IQ, 100 IQ, or none of these options. In this way, 3 options will be given. Are you able to understand what question may be asked? A computer has dash IQ. What is the correct answer? It has 0 IQ. So you may be given 3 options like it has 0 IQ, it has 1 IQ, or it has 100 IQ, 100% IQ. So you have to give the correct answer. It will be 0. Then again, a computer depends on dash for working. So what is the correct answer? It is electricity. Okay. You will be given 2 or 3 options like electricity, Okay, battery you may be given, or some other thing you may be given. So here computer means what? Desktop. So desktop always works on electricity. So here the correct option will be electricity. So in this way, simple question will be asked from within the chapter. If you understand the chapter well, you will be able to do these questions very well. Okay, so I will not make the video very long. I hope you have understood how the question will be asked. In the next video, which we will upload tomorrow, I will discuss the next two chapters also, the type of questions which may be asked from your chapter 2 and 3 also, that I will discuss in the next video. I hope we have understood the video. Thank you, students, and prepare well for your exam.